Welcome to another entry of Safari TV Diary.
Look at that, that is absolutely beautiful.
Another beautiful morning out here at Djuma Game Reserve. And what a prized sighting to start out with, the leopard. But it's the two boys, Induna and Mixo. It seems they're still in favor of play at the moment.
Oh wow. Oh, that really is beautiful.
As they cover a bit of Karula's territory. Not really worrying about too much at the moment. It's all about food and living. Taking a bit of a break in between the play for a bit of a scratch, a bit of a lie down, and some investigation. One of the boys starting to scent mark, a good indication they'll be leaving soon. Quite a large herd of elephant coming down to quench the thirst on a very warm day at Gowrie Dam. A prized sighting. Very nice group of elephant. And of course, not all is quiet, with a few bulls chasing each other around, causing the rest of the herd to flee. And here we have a solitary lone bull. A trunk made shorter by half by a snare around 5 years ago, but still making do with it and carrying on with life. And of course we find the two boys again, this time in the cover of darkness, investigating a termite mound. Possibly a prized food source. Certainly are very aware of their surroundings, climbing every limb, investigating, looking around, but still making time for a bit of play. From us, we say very good night, farewell folks, cheerio. And we'll see you tomorrow for our next installment of Safari TV Diary.